Hey guys, what's going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and in this video, we're going to be talking about a platform that we've been working on for you that's going to help you make money online. And we have 6 different ways that you can actually make money online, the legit way. So stick around all the way until the very end so that you can know how to participate and how to take advantage of this new platform that we've been working on for you. All right, so like I was saying, we haven't been able to post a video on YouTube for some time, and this is because we've been working on something amazing. So TechHood has actually launched an online learning community for digital entrepreneurship. And one of the reasons that we did this is because we have so many people from our online community here on YouTube that send us messages wanting to learn how to make money online the legit way. And it's been very difficult for us to be able to teach people one-on-one. So we created an online learning community that's going to help you to start making money even if you are a complete newbie. And that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. I'm going to be posting some footage here on the screen for you. And I'm also going to be sharing different ways that you can take advantage of this. So there are 6 methods, like you heard me mentioning in the intro of this video, that you can use to actually make money online with TechHood. And before we dive into the rest of the video, I'm just gonna play a short video here for you so that you can check out those different methods and learn what I'm talking about. All right, so like you've seen in that video, there are 6 different ways that you can take advantage of this new platform that we've actually created. Now, what you're seeing on your screen right now is actually what the platform looks like. And like I've mentioned, this is an online learning community for digital entrepreneurship in Africa. So TechHood has 3 different memberships, and we've split up these different memberships into things that we actually specialize in as TechHood. So the first membership is about affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, this is basically where you get to make money without having your own product, without having your own service, or even without having your own audience. And that's the first membership that we have on TechHood. It's the Affiliate Marketing Academy, where we are going to be teaching you exactly how to get started with your affiliate marketing business, not just showing you how to start 1 or 2 things, but actually holding your hand throughout the entire process, because you are going to get access to a private forum and you're also going to be getting access to a Facebook group that we have created, which is going to be a private Facebook group. So I'm just gonna show you a short video of what the Affiliate Marketing Academy entails so that you could get a better idea of whether this is something that will work for you and whether this is something that you'd be interested in. All right, so now that we're done with the Affiliate Marketing Academy, it's time to move on to membership number 2. So the second membership that we have on the platform is the Online Business Academy. So a lot of people, when they hear the word online business, the first thing that comes to their mind is selling their physical products on the internet. However, there are so many different types of online businesses that you can start, and some of them you can actually start just using your mobile phone, so there's no excuse. But in this membership, we're going to be showing you step by step how to start your online business, how to monetize it, and we're going to be giving you a variety of tools and a variety of content and a variety of information that you can use to start your online business. And on top of that, we are going to also allow you in this second membership to have access to everything that is in the first membership, which is the Affiliate Marketing Academy. So to be clear, if you are interested in membership B, which is the Online Business Academy, then you are also going to be getting access to everything that is in the Affiliate Marketing Academy. So just so that you can get a better idea of what's entailed in this, let me roll a short video for you so that you can check it out and see whether this is something that's going to work out for you. Right, so that was the second membership that we have for you on TechHood. The third membership is one that is going to allow you to start making money online passively by selling your knowledge, and this is through selling your skills, through selling your ebooks, through selling your online courses. So TechHood, like I've already mentioned, is an online learning community for digital entrepreneurship in Africa. And so if you are somebody who has the skill that you can teach other people, you could definitely start creating courses, you can definitely start creating ebooks, and you can share them with other people on the platform, so that all of the people in our country and in our continent can be able to start learning these vital digital skills that can help us empower Africa and take take people from being broke to actually being empowered in their finances. So this is what you get when you join Membership C. So those are the three different memberships that we have for you on the platform. So the first one is the Affiliate Marketing Academy that helps you learn how to make money online even without your own product or services. The second one is the Online Business Academy, where you are going to learn how to make money online by creating your very own online business, and we're going to help you every single step of the way. And the third one, you get to start selling your courses online, and you also get access to the first and the second membership content. So one of the things that you need to know right now is what else is on the platform. So one of the things that we've been doing as Tech Hood since we started working online is content writing, and I know that a lot of people have been able to benefit from our content writing course. However, we've upgraded it and added a lot more information in that. So if you are interested in content writing, that is another course that you will be able to find on the platform. And you can also get a course on how to start your digital influencer marketing. A lot of people are actually interested in making money online as influencers, and this is something that's blowing up because of how viral content gets on these social platforms. So we've got courses there as Tech Hood, and we've also got ebooks there that you can check out. And we are hoping that you are going to be able to jump on this real quick and you can start making money online in the various ways that I showed you. So just to dive in a little bit more into one of the ways that you can earn with Tech Hood is that we have an affiliate marketing program for our memberships and for our courses. And you are going to be able to make up to 50% for every learner and for every single instructor that you refer to the platform. And that's actually a significant amount of money. And there is no limit as to the number of students that you can refer. There's also no limit to the number of instructors that you can refer, because what we're trying to do is to get as many people as possible to join our platform so that more people in Africa can learn the real ways of making money online. So if you are an instructor, if you are a marketer, or if you are somebody who's been interested in learning how to make money online, go ahead and check out the link in the description box below. And we are definitely going to be happy to see you on the inside. If you have any questions about this platform, you can also check out some of the content on our blog or reach out to us. There's a contact detail that's you're going to find on the website, and there's also support that's going to be able to interact with you and talk to you in case you have any questions that need answering. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys benefit from this platform, and I will be seeing you on the inside and in the next video.